Question number 8. It's an output type of question. Step 1. Memory should be allocated for global variables. There are no global variables. Step 2. Execution of a Python program starts and ends at main function. This is the starting point of main function. So, it's a tuple. Here you can write down the indices. Now L is equal to this list. So here you can write down the indices for the first element index 0, second element index 1 and so on. Now D is equal to empty dictionary. So you can note down D is pointing to an empty dictionary. Now here you call the function. Control reaches a point where the function is defined. This S is passed to this S. So this S is pointing to this one. So this is that S. Second argument is passed to second parameter. So this L is actually pointing to this L. So they are the same, this L. Now length of S. How many elements are there in tuple? 3 elements are there. This is the first element of tuple S. This is the second element of tuple S. Third element. So 3 elements are there. So here your variable n contains 3. Now range 3. It is range 0, 3. So you get 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. I takes the initial value 0. Now I is 0. S of 0 means you will get the first element physics. Now physics of 0 means you will get the first character capital P. So here you get capital P. And what is I? I is 0. So what is L of 0? 90. So D of P equal to 90, meaning P colon 90 will be inserted into dictionary D. So this key and this value, key value pair will be inserted. So P colon 90 inserted. Now I is 0. L of 0, that is 90, 90 plus 5, 95, that is assigned to L of 0. So your L of 0 becomes 95. Again, I takes the next integer in the range, that is 1. Now I is 1, S of 1 will give you chemistry and chemistry of 0 will give you capital C. I is 1. L of 1 will give you 78. So D of C equal to 78. C colon 78 will be inserted into dictionary D because this key and this value, key value pair will be inserted. Now I is 1. L of 1 will give you 78. 78 plus 5, 83. That is assigned to L of 1. So this L of 1 becomes 83. Again, I takes the last integer in the range, that is 2. I is 2. S of 2 will give you biology. And biology of 0 means you will get the first character of the string B. So here you get B. Now D of B equals L of 2. What is L of 2? 79. So this key value pair will be inserted into the dictionary D. So the key is B and the value is 79. So B colon 79 will be inserted into dictionary D. Again, I is 2. L of 2 will give you 79. 79 plus 5, 84. That is assigned to L of 2. So your L of 2 becomes 84. Now, there are no more integers in the range. So you exit from this for loop. Now, each and every item is returned as answer. K contains the key. V contains the corresponding value. So the first item P colon 90 is returned. K will contain the key, that is P, and V contains the value 90. So here P is printed, here 90 is printed. Between the arguments, the separator colon will appear. So here colon appears and the ending character is comma. Again, The next item is returned as answer C colon 78. So K contains the key C and V contains the corresponding value 78. So here C is printed, here 78 is printed. Between the arguments, the separator will come, so colon will appear and the ending character is comma. Again, the last item is returned as answer B colon 79. So K contains the key B and V contains the value 79. Now here K is printed, so B is printed, V 79 that is printed. Between the arguments, the separator will come, so here colon appear and the ending character is comma. There are no more items, so you exit from this for loop. Now this function is completely executed. After executing a function, control returns to the point from where it was called. Now these local variables does not exist. Remember, this S is actually of the main function and this L is actually of the main function. Now here /n means new line. So in a new line this message appear. So in the new line you get marks colon followed by list L and this is the list L. So that will be printed here. So when you run this program, this is the final output.